Okay, so now we've gotten two 1 point perspective drawings done, and gradually getting more complex. So now I'm going to show you 2 point perspective. So let's say I am looking at a corner. So here's the corner, and I'm looking down two hallways. So let's just imagine this hallway going down this way and off the page, and maybe this hallway coming this way, and maybe ending right here. Maybe this is like the whole sheet of paper right here. So let's say here's my drawing, and I'm looking down two hallways, and there's probably a door right here. So I'm going to draw the sides in. So the door, to me, almost goes all the way up to the top. So this is what I see students doing. They know that there's angles here and here for the ceiling and the floor, but when they come to drawing doors, they do this thing where they make the tops of the doors straight across. So they're not even, and they do this where the lines are all wonky and not straight up and down. So if you do that, these doors don't look like they belong. They aren't in perspective. They're like you're walking through a fun house of some sort. But if you want the doors to look realistic, let's see. Let's fix these doors. We're sending in a new architect. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, so the vanishing point is off the side of the page, but you always have to connect things to the vanishing point, your line of sight. So if I were to imagine it's out here somewhere where these two lines intersect, that I'm just going to kind of draw this line in. So now my tops of the doors are going to be aligned to that vanishing point. So here's one door. Make my line straight. Here's another door. And they're going to get thinner every time because the further things are away from your line of sight, the smaller they get, right? And then this is just probably like a little sliver right there. Okay, so we got 4 doors in a row, and all the doors are like right on the wall. So here's something that happens in real life on River Ridge campus. There are some doorways that are recessed, like the door isn't on the front wall, the door goes back further. So I'm going to broaden this up a little bit to make a space. So maybe this right here is the walkway to get to the door, but this is where the horizontal lines come in. Okay, so let me fix this top. Maybe my pencil needs to be sharpened. So here's where the horizontal line comes in. Right there and right there. And so now, actually, sorry, it should go to the vanishing point way down here somewhere. But yeah, it will go like this and like this. So not quite horizontal. So now you have like a little walkway in here, and you're going to shade that in to make it look like it's extra dark in that cavernous space. I just erased that little line right there. But then you can shade that in and make it look dark and creepy and somewhere you just don't want to go or somebody's going to pop out of there sometime soon. But that's the illusion of that space right there. And that's how you would do that.